welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla Rundle. If you guys do not know me yet, today's exciting because I'm going to be detailing this charger. This is a 68 charger my neighbor brought over to me to detail for him. So I know you guys love detailing videos, so I created this for you. I'm super excited to be able to detail a classic muscle car. This is my first one yet. I absolutely love these. So much of my inspiration for my build comes from these classic cars, so this is gonna be exciting. I've been detailing for a while. I'm not a professional though, so don't get too upset. I just do this for my neighbors, friends, and families, and it's just what I love to do. But anyways, enjoy the video. Definitely see the difference just off of one round. I cleaned this side and that side's the dirty side. It's literally a completely different color. You can see the straight line down the middle right here. I'm gonna do another pass because there is a little bit of streaking. It's a video of cleaning up this charger. I'm so excited that I was able to have a classic muscle car on this channel. This is my very first one. And my neighbor actually gave me this charger for the day to detail because he is going to be selling it. So he's flipping it. He just got it about 6 months ago, but I wish I could enjoy it. But hopefully one day I'll be able to get a muscle car just like this one, because this car is so gorgeous, and they're going for a lot right now. So if you guys have these cars, keep them. Like, I'm so jealous. I literally worked on everything on this car other than the full undercarriage. I even cleaned underneath the fenders, the full wheel, tires, engine bay, paint. I even took my brush into the little headlights and cleaned all the metals, full interior. So this car is definitely brand new again. Even the steering wheel completely changed colors. It was black before. I didn't even know it was a slight brown color, but that usually happens from a lot of hand grease from people using things a lot. It starts building up if it's not cleaned often. So I got it all out with my Superior Image interior degreaser. This charger looks brand new. The only thing about the seats is they are a little bit discolored. That just happens when cars sit in the sun. Nothing you can really do over time, but they are all original seats, so that's pretty impressive. I did dress all the black plastics, and it looks incredible. That always makes the cars pop. Well guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't already, go check out my other social media accounts on TikTok and Instagram. It is all my name, Kayla Rundle. I post all automotive content, and if you guys are regulars, thank you so much for supporting me. I honestly love doing this. I spent all day doing this, and I'm just happy I can make a video out of it and share my passion for cars. I have so many videos for the Camaro. I just need to edit them. That car has been going through a lot the last 3 months. But thank you so much for all of your support. I appreciate you all so much. Please, if you aren't already, go subscribe to this channel, like this video. It helps me out a ton. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever time it is, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.